Mouthwash is homogeneous because it consists of one phase and it stays the same throughout. Laundry detergent is also a homogeneous mixture.
Example of a pure substance is salt because it's a compound. Granola is heterogeneous because it doesn't stay the same throughout.
Homogeneous mixtures are also easy to separate. A homogeneous mixture is tea because it stays the same throughout. After it's been in the water, and it's now homogeneous because it's the same throughout. It's transparent with no scattering particles from a solid, only separated using distillation. For example, salt water is an example of a solution. This is olive oil and water, and it's a suspension because it's cloudy and heterogeneous. The particles are large, which allows them to be filtered. Food is laundry detergent, and the solvent is water. This is them after they mix. Dilute solution contains a small amount of solid in a given volume of solvent, but a concentrated solution contains a large amount of solid in a given volume of solvent. For example, me putting more detergent into the water makes it concentrated.
Concentration, you have to divide mass of solid with the volume of solvent.
Treated solution contains the most amount of solid that can be in a given amount of solvent. A supersaturated is when the solid doesn't dissolve in the liquid, so it settles at the bottom. After a while, the extra salt will settle at the bottom, making it supersaturated. Temperature, pressure, and surface area can affect the solute and the solvent in many different ways. For temperature, an increase in it makes it easier for something to dissolve. If you increase the temperature, large amounts of something will be able to dissolve easily. The opposite is true for gases. An increase in temperature makes a gas less soluble in water. For pressure, it does not really apply to solids or liquids, but the solubility of a gas increases at higher pressures and decreases at lower pressures. For the surface area, increasing the surface area can also make it more soluble.